So this here is a piece of aluminium. Alright? It's the same thing that this aluminium boat's made out of. Alright? Just one single piece of aluminium. So if you just get on it and put everything there. So what I'm going to do is just put one foot back and you come around here. Put 1 foot backwards. Hold it. You're going to pull that way, and you're going to pull that way. Alright? Alright, ready? Right. Go. Come on. Didn't you have your wheat mix this morning?
No, you want me to put it? How far do you want me to put it?
Alright, thanks guys. Alright. You guys, you couldn't even bend one piece of aluminium. This is what a flood does to an aluminium boat. Alright? That demonstrates the power of flood. Alright? Just always think about that. Just, I'm trained in flood water. If you think it's only that, it just is relentless. Alright?